Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Pratyunsh.
Ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Good afternoon, beta.
Ma'am, how are you?
I am so perfectly all right. What about you people? Last exam, completely free now, huh?
No, ma'am, and that's not the thing.
Then
And that was just one pass by. We have to study more now.
exactly. There are people those who think UTs खत्म हो गए अब हम ऐश करेंगे, है ना? जबकि ऐसा नहीं होता है, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Today I would like to give you some flow charts for chapter 2 that we have started. So please keep your history notebooks with you and start writing. Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Afternoon, ma'am.
You can. Good afternoon, Aryan. You can get your books.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Ma'am, you will make on blackboard or share this?
I will share the screen. Means I'll write, of course, the way I have been doing in recent times.
Ma'am, can I put off my camera?
Manoj Sapa to camera already off है बच्चे.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, मैं अभी हिस्ट्री नोटबुक लेने गया था ना.
But then how will I see whether you people are writing or not?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am, what we have to write?
We will be doing flow charts for history chapter 2. Right?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, is it fine?
Uh-huh.
Ma'am, is Avinash fine?
He is absolutely fine. But because
Ma'am,
of
have you checked the papers?
check.
And what happened to him?
Beta, actually there is electricity problem now, so his devices are not charged. The problem is that.
Oh,
That is why I think
I think that he got ill.
No, he's fine. Write the first heading, the age of social change. First flow chart, age of social change. By the time I'm joining with the second device, age of social change you have written.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you make 3 columns: liberals, radicals, and conservatives.
Ma'am, liberals,
radicals, and conservatives.
Oh, ma'am. Same as the first chapter.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have made the notes of this chapter.
You need to see. If I don't tell you, then also you make your own notes so that when you are preparing for exams, you don't face any problem. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Like you have
Yes,
done
ma'am.
for civics and economics, I believe. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you repeat after age of social change?
I am just writing it down.
Ma'am, missing this lithosphere, biosphere, atmosphere.
Hmm?
Ma'am, missing these terms. Ma'am, biosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere.
Missing these
Ma'am,
terms.
this we have done till 8th class.
I know. But then you need to remember them throughout, no? Whenever you will be having anything related to physical geography.
Ma'am, lithosphere means land, atmosphere, the air in the environment.
The blanket of air.
Biosphere,
Yes.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, biosphere is the combination of all.
Yes.
And there was one more.
What was that?
Ma'am, hydrosphere.
Yes, ma'am. Hydrosphere.
Hydrosphere.
Water.
History chapter 2.
Ma'am, what we need to write in liberals?
Just giving you.
Ma'am, the notes are really helping a lot.
I know. Flowchart 1. Okay. The age of social change. This you need to put in a box. Then liberals. Now writing about liberals.
Ma'am, I have also did like this one.
Okay, if I write with red, are you able to see the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This way you will be able to
Yes, ma'am.
differentiate which one are for the liberals and which one are for the others.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a red glitter pen, ma'am. Can I write with it?
रेड पेन से नोटबुक में मत लिखो बेटा, टीचर्स दिखते हैं ना रेड पेन से, तो
Ma'am, glitter वाला था।
वो भी मत करो। ठीक है?
Ma'am, this chapter seems to be very difficult, but it's not.
What?
Ma'am, this chapter seems to be it's very difficult, but it's not.
No, it is very easy. It is like a story.
Yes, ma'am. When I read it, ma'am, then I realized it.
Ma'am, which thing?
Chapter, no, Sanidhya is saying that this chapter seems to be difficult, but when you read it, you realize that it is not very difficult.
Ma'am, everything is difficult, everything is easy, just we have to go through it.
Exactly. And the third point says, did not believe in universal adult franchise. Okay.
And ma'am, that was also ma'am one point. Ma'am supported judiciary which must be well trained and independent.
But then these were the three basic points, no? इनको इन्हीं को लिख लो केवल आप, ठीक है? चलिए, let us come to the next one, that is radicals.
Ma'am, this we have written in previous class.
When?
Ma'am, I can send you pic.
Send if you have written. Show.
Yes, ma'am.
It will lessen my work.
Just a second. Ma'am, see this. Ma'am, and this also.
Can you share the image with me?
Yes, ma'am. No one.
But then why it is not showing
I'm
it?
on personal.
हाँ, on my personal window you said.
Ma'am, when we did this earlier,
I don't know. That is why no.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, mine is to not done.
हाँ,
ma'am,
ठीक है,
I am also unable to write.
कोई नहीं. You carry on writing. I am writing it over here.
Sorry, ma'am, for increasing your work.
No, no. It is okay. We are there for this only, no? To make your learning easy. Hmm?
Diary of social, the age of social. I मैम अपने से समझा कितनी फोन
Ma'am, I've sent it.
I have sent.
Yes, ma'am, I've sent. Ma'am, actually, I also have the screenshot that you have given to us on class. Sorry, in class.
Arey, then
You
I
have
am
said to
what?
do that.
In class, in 9th, I must have done this.
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
With
that
9th
is
B
wrong.
only. With 9th B only.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, koi nahi. Let them do.
Oh,
I'll have a report.
yes, sir.
We have done this, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Country's population. Second is supported women's
And-
suffrage. हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am. And when they oppose the privileges of private landowners and wealthy factory owners. Ma'am, what is the pronunciation of this word? Suffragette.
Suffragette. Suffragette.
Ma'am, you have told one more point.
हाँ. Doing that. Opposed. Privileges of owners and
Wealthy factory owners.
wealthy. Wealthy what?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
factory owners.
society.
Wealthy society होगा.
Ma'am.
मतलब जो ओनर्स थे वो सोसाइटी को जिस भी पार्ट को कंप्राइज करते थे उसके लिए है ये, ठीक है? अब हम लिखेंगे.
मैम उसमें तो मैम
हाँ.
मैम उसमें तो मैम फैक्ट्री लिखा. मैम इसलिए मैंने जो फ्लो चार्ट बनाया था मैम उसमें भी मैंने फैक्ट्री ओनर ही लिखा.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है बेटा. अब हम कर रहे हैं. अरे
Ma'am, wait.
हाँ. Now we are doing the third one, ठीक है? Now this third one, the line will go straight. If you people have space, you can write on that space because I am running short of the space.
Ma'am, let us view above.
Okay. Let us write conservatives.
मैम
हाँ.
Ma'am, may I tell the point of conservation?
Okay, tell.
Ma'am, the group of ruling class and person in power who initially opposed the same.
नहीं, conservatives का होगा
Ma'am,
opposed.
I can also tell.
हाँ, opposed. See, write down. Opposed radicals
And liberal.
and liberals. ये कलरफुल वाला काम ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. एटी सेग्रीगेशन है, पता है कौन सा क्या है ना. Then
Ma'am, please scroll up.
just a second.
But after French Revolution, they were ready for the thing. Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, do you know that today in math class, ma'am, there were only 2 students?
Why?
Ma'am, because all were tired after giving the exam.
I know, and they were
Ma'am,
sending.
I was
Ma'am,
having
there
my
was some
breakfast.
ma'am, there was some network issue. Ma'am, अपने आप disconnect हो जा रहे थे.
अच्छा.
Ma'am,
No,
in
ma'am.
my phone it was showing
Ma'am, when I was
connecting.
entering the class, it was showing error 4400.
अच्छा.
Yes, ma'am, he is right.
अच्छा.
Ma'am, in the
Yes,
last there only 2 were there. One 6 or 8 were there total.
Ma'am, लेकिन
Ma'am, in
total में
Gulshan sir class, ma'am, it is the day, or I think Eid yesterday. Ma'am, before Eid, and there was computer class, and then there were only, ma'am, only one student, that was me,
अच्छा.
no one else.
Oh my God. This is really strange.
But ma'am, in timetable, ma'am, computer class is not written over there.
मैम वो
Actually,
गलत क्लास है.
I'll tell you one thing. Because of the exams, no, the classes that you people were having, they were shuffled. Like
Yes,
every
ma'am.
day, though you were having your exam during 7:30 to 8:50, but then the classes that you people were having, the period that you were having, the lectures that you people were having, they were changed accordingly, so that every class is there in a week's time, right? Otherwise,
Yes.
people would have lost on your
Yes, ma'am.
first and second periods every day. But then you must have observed that first and second periods, of course, were taken by the teachers. See, all have done this flow chart.
I'm writing the third one.
Okay.
Ma'am, wait a minute.
Huh?
And second topic is industrial society and social change.
Yes. We have a new guest in the class. Let us admitted. Now,
Practice Manai.
yes, back to the colorful flow chart. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this blue color is looking beautiful.
I know. No, even yellow is looking good. Only red is showing little danger part.
Yes, ma'am. Radicals are dangerous.
Actually, if we talk about the Indian, freedom struggle, radicals were the people who were quite aggressive. So this red color is very, it goes with radical. I have taken red.
Yes, ma'am.
Yellow is used
And
for
ma'am,
friendship.
and conservatives are opposing the both one with blue color, odd one out.
Yes. Okay, shall we start with the second one?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here we go. Flow chart. Second. Yes.
Ma'am, there are total 6, ma'am.
There are total. There are total 6. We have industrial. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll use this blue
Yes,
color.
ma'am.
For the second flowchart, we'll use this blue color. It says the first point says industrialization began men, women, and children to factories, then poor wages, more working hours.
Ma'am, do you know that call is connected with which calls? Sorry,
What?
which lines?
What?
Ma'am, the phone calls are connected with which lines? Means like internet or what?
See, when you are calling over a Wi-Fi, of course, internet is required, no?
Ma'am, the simple one.
Landlines.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there is a call. Ma'am, means it was a call from my brother. So,
Hmm.
ma'am, now the voice is something like next level. It's very, very clear. And when it is connected to it.
Acha.
Yes, ma'am. When this has happened many times. When it is connected to this call line, then it is a fabulous network.
Acha. Maybe
Yes,
things are improving. Maybe this is also improving.
yes, ma'am.
मैम देश बदल रहा है.
देश तो पूर्णतया बदल रहा है भाई.
Ma'am, this week the strength will be low.
Let it be. See, as it is, I have clearly told everybody, those who are not attending classes, they will get a 0 in attendance and in the notebook also. Very simple. So why should I take pain unnecessarily calling them, shouting
Why
at them?
there will be less students this week?
Means
Ma'am, have you checked the social copies?
because exams are over and nobody is interested to take the classes. That is why at least till Saturday there won't be any strength. 2 more days we
Yes, ma'am.
have to manage without students. So it is
Ma'am,
fine.
but in test, every student comes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the good part, but then the worst part is that
40 to 43.
I know.
Ma'am, actually, Mustafa has not attended 2 tests, Hindi and SST.
Acha, I know.
I think today
And ma'am, he
uh,
went to enjoy in Delhi.
Ajmer and Delhi.
Acha,
Ma'am,
Not
Yes.
enjoy,
socials
there
was
must be
the
that Eid
easiest.
wala na. And the Eid
Yes,
thing.
ma'am.
He must be going
Ma'am,
for that.
history paper was awesome.
really?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
social was
actually,
the
every paper
easiest
was
of all.
awesome.
And you know what?
Yes, ma'am.
One thing what
Social
I
was
have
the most.
discovered, class, I have discovered that one answer that I had, taken out of the box, that answer is the same. The language is the same for almost 20-25 students. So I could easily make out that from where the answer has been taken.
Ma'am, which answer?
Right now, I don't remember, but there was one question for
Ma'am,
which
Jacobian one. Ma'am, Indira point. Ma'am, which got submerged.
no. That was
Yes,
so
ma'am.
as it is given in the book only, no? There was one question. अब बाद में दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा है, पहले ये चलो फ्लो चार्ट
I
कर
have
लो.
not done the work only.
हाँ
मैम रॉबिट फायर वाला
Ma'am, I have not done the work only what I will learn from it. I have learned from Google, YouTube.
that is fine. See, I
Yes,
can
ma'am.
understand who has what kind of, you know, ऐसा तो है नहीं that this is the first time I'm teaching you. I have been teaching you people since class 7, right? So I know
Yes, ma'am.
in and out of every child. I know in and out of everyone.
Ma'am,
So-
but I didn't copy it.
Arey, I am not taking your name, please. Don't be so this thing. I am
Yes,
not
ma'am.
saying that you have done that.
Ma'am, my camera was on all the time
Arey,
in
bab-
every test.
And when you will tell our marks?
marks, we are not supposed to tell you marks. Are we supposed to tell?
Ma'am, in school
Ma'am,
you
only in
used to tell
report
us.
card.
See, that was a
मैम
different.
Ma'am, when is the PTM?
Don't know. Socialist system was against, in the socialist system that was initiated, society was against
Private
private
property.
property. Fine. Then
Yes, ma'am.
talking about the role of cooperatives,
In socialism.
in socialism. They have always encouraged cooperatives and replace capitalist and
मैम आई हैव आल्सो मेड अ फ्लो चार्ट जस्ट लाइक यू मैम बट ओनली द लैंग्वेज इज
different. That is
Yes,
fine,
ma'am.
no issues. Enterprises, Karl Marx theory. Workers overthrow capitalists, capitalism and rule on private.
मैम फ्रेडरिक एंगल्स मैम आल्सो बिलीव्ड इन दिस
Yes.
यस मैम
Formation of socialist parties. इसमें you need to write all the socialist parties that were there, they demanded the reduction of
And this point is not written. I will write it.
demanded reduction of working hours. How much time is left? Let me check. We still have some time. Ji beta. So let us do the third flow chart also. Right?
मैम
Sorry, fourth flow chart.
मैम इन हाफ ईयरली विच चैप्टर्स विल कम
Which chapters can come?
यस मैम
हाँ जो बेटा जितना पढ़ा दिया जाएगा वो सब आएगा हाफ ईयरली में।
Ma'am, approx.
Approx. I think 3 chapters of history, 3 chapters of geography.
And ma'am, in which month it will start?
Most probably September you will be having your half yearlies.
Ma'am, I hope they will be offline.
They will be offline. Yes.
Oh, ma'am, thank God.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Russian Revolution. See, Russian Revolution happened because of the autocratic rule of Tsar. Autocratic rule of Tsar.
Ma'am, could you please show the third flow chart again? Ma'am, the starting part.
Just a second. Third flowchart beginning, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Done?
Yes, ma'am. बस इतना.
Sure. Now, autocratic rule of Tsar. सर इसमें ना इसको आप एनसर्कल कर लेना, ये मेन हेड्स है, ठीक है। कार्ल मार्क्स थ्योरी मेन हेड है ये। रोल ऑफ
Ma'am, in this you have told us the February Revolution in Petrograd.
हाँ, Petrograd was the name which was changed from Petersburg. Saint Petersburg, one of the industrial region, prominent industrial region, no? ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Autocratic rule of Tsar. Second was the condition of peasants in which, in this condition of peasants,
Ma'am, only 3 chapters can come in half yearly, ma'am, not more than.
हो सकता है जितने करा देंगे टीचर्स उतने दे देंगे। People earned their livelihood from agriculture.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if there will be online tests, and there also be online classes. Sorry, offline classes.
Don't know as of now, so no idea.
And because offline classes gives us more knowledge.
I know. And more concentration as well, no?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Yes, ma'am.
Means like
Ma'am,
there
more
are-
fun.
Hmm? Okay, then
And the second.
condition of workers. In this condition of workers, again, subdivisions are there. Workers were divided into social groups. Working hours were more, and 31% were women, or factory labels. Right? Then we are going parallel. Then socialism in Russia. In this, again, subgroups are there. In 1900, revolutionary party was formed by socialists. Then there was a struggle for peasant rights. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
well.
fine.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is your fourth flow chart. Is this all done?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we will do 5th and 6th flow chart also now.
नहीं बेटा अभी नहीं करेंगे, टाइम नहीं है बच्चे को के। जो आपका
Ma'am,
हाँ आपका जो
ma'am, will you send on the group?
this one?
No, ma'am, 5th and 6th.
No. देखो बेटा इस क्लास का बेनिफिट केवल वही उठाएंगे जो क्लास में आएंगे, जिनका ये काम पूरा नहीं होगा
Yes, ma'am. Please do not send on the group.
उनका नोटबुक वर्क विल बी इनकम्प्लीट. वेरी सिंपल.
Ma'am, will the flowchart 5 will be done in 2 minutes?
नहीं बेटा, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग द हेडिंग ऑफ द फिफ्थ फ्लो चार्ट.
Okay.
The February Revolution in Petrograd. Right? And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ma'am, you have took attendance.
I have already taken the screenshot beta of the attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
वो इसलिए ना unnecessary class disturb नहीं होगी हमारी. भाई देखो 9 बच्चे हैं मिला के, except for me only 9.
Attendance takes 2 to 3 minutes.
उससे ज्यादा बेटा, because you keep calling the names and children at times do not respond. Like now if I will call Ankur, I don't know how much time he will take to respond. Ankur Gangwar, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Aye, very smart. Okay. And what about Rakshit Solanki? Is he there in the class? See?
Yes.
Okay. Do we have Divyansh Jain in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So today to everybody is active because we are writing, no? Had I been explaining the chapter, half the class would have gone to sleep.
Ma'am, actually, these are the students who
Huh.
take regular classes.
Yes, you are right. You are right. See, regularity in anything is always good. Be it your, see, we don't say that you should study all the time. You should take out time to have, something recreational activities also. Every time looking into the books is not going to make you genius, right? So balance the time, balance everything.
It will make mental.
Exactly. Chalo, the class is going to end any minute. Less than 1 minute.
Thank you,
is okay. Chalo. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank